Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys 3 wigs from the Stylist, which is a brand from my favorite online beauty supply, which is samsbeauty.com. This is the first one that I'm going to be showing you guys. This one is the Stylist Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig, and this one is in the style Wavy Wander in 1B. Then I'm going to be showing you guys this Swiss Lace Silk Top Lace Wig, and this one is in the style Curly Bob, and it's also in 1B. And the last one I'm going to be showing you is a Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig, and this one is in the style Spicy Curl, also 1B. So this is a battle of the 1B wigs in 3 different type of textures and cuts. Which one do you like the best? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with the Spicy Curl 1B wig from the Stylist. And this has a 4-inch deep invisible part. So it's got a nice little side part on it. And this is how it looks like right here. It is a very more of a natural type of texture of hair, very curly, super duper curly. So like if you had some naturally curly hair, it does have 2 clips on either side of that part, and also one in the back. So now that I have all of those clips secured to my head, this is what the part looks like right here. It is a lace front wig. I had already gone ahead and clipped off that lace, cut it off. So this is what it looks like. I want to make the part just a bit more prominent. So I'm just going to take some of the same foundation that I used on my face and a little angled brush. And I'm going to just put that on the part just to make it a bit more noticeable and prominent, so it looks a bit more natural. I am just throwing these wigs on my head. I do suggest actually putting a little bit of glue or some type of adhesive like a gel or a freeze blasting spray, the Got2b freeze blasting spray, right on that part right there just to make it stay, because this wig does slide back. All 3 of them did. So after wearing them actually out and everything, I did do that, and it did make the wigs stay in place. So this is how it looks like right here. Very simple wig to put on. All 3 of these are, you'll see, but I love the texture of the wig and this curl pattern, and also the cut of it, how it kind of gets shorter as it goes up. It's a very, very nice wig, something you could just throw on every day. All right, on to wig number 2. This is the Stylist Swiss Lace Silk Top wig, and it is in the style Curly Bob, and it is also in the color 1B. I love this because it has multi-directional parts. You can part it in the middle, you can part it on the side, you can part it on the other side, left or right. So there's a lot of lace right there in the center for you to work with, and you'll see what I actually do with it. I put in a little ponytail at the top. You can do a lot of different things with this wig, and this one is so freaking cute. The cut is so perfect for summer because it's extra short and it has a lot of curls. It's just really cute, and you see all that lace right there that you can work with. So these are the curls, which are so beautiful. It's a very curly wig. Looks like you took a barrel curler or what are those things, a wand curler to it. And this is what it looks like when it's on. As you can see, so cute. So cute. You could part it on the left or right, whichever one that is right here. Or you can part it on the other side, flip it over. It's so beautiful. I love that, how it like hangs in your face. It really hangs in your face, and it has those curls just laying there and looks so pretty. So you can see there is some lace in the back. You can do it in the center right here. I would make that more straight if I actually was wearing it right there. But I did a part on either side, so on the left side and the right side, and in the back to make like a little square in the center. And I'm going to put this part up in a little ponytail just to show you that you could actually do something like this too. Or if you have one of those little clips, you could clip it back right there just to get the hair out of your face if you wanted to. All right, wig number 3 is the Stylist Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part wig, and it is in the style Wavy Wander color 1B. This is your classic sexy like barrel wand curl wig that's long, looks like some bundles or something like that. It's really, really cute. It is 100% hand tied. It has that deep side part. Again, it is a lace front, like I said. Does have the 2 clips in the front and 1 in the back, just like the other ones. They're all constructed basically exactly the same. I'm going to clip the wig lace across the front with my scissors, just keeping it as close to that hairline as possible without actually clipping the hair. Time to put it on, so I'm going to go ahead and secure the clip in the back and also the 2 clips on the side. Now I'm just going to take some more of my foundation and put it on the part, just like I did for the other wigs, just to make it look a bit more noticeable. And I'm going to show you something else that you can do with your wigs, especially wigs like this, to make it look a bit more natural. I'm going to part my real hair that's up underneath the wig, exactly where the part on the wig lays, and lay the wig a bit further back from my hairline instead of putting it right before my hairline. And that will just make it look a bit more natural, so you won't be able to, move the wig. Even if the wig slides back a little bit, it won't matter because it's not sitting right before your hairline. It's sitting a bit back. So if a little bit of your real hair shows, it still looks okay because there's a part right there, just like the part on the wig. So even if it does slide back, it doesn't matter. And then take your favorite adhesive and just stick some right underneath the wig on the part and press it down right there. Make sure it sticks, and then it won't slide back. And even if it does, it's fine because there's a part right there anyway, so it looks a lot more natural. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite. Please leave me a 1, 2, or 3 standing for the first wig, the second, or the third in the comments down below. And yeah, I cannot wait to hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye. But here I am, 'cause I've been